Alright. Good morning, retail gang. Making the rounds today. Been in this Target every morning for like the past week. Sometimes at lunchtime, sometimes even of an evening. Trying to hit this optic football. And the shelf is still looking bare. Yep, that's how it's looked for about a week. So I guess we will head to 2 more Walmarts. Alright, well, Target was a dud. As usual, next stop Walmart. This is my go-to, where you always find something here, no prob. Let's go see what's on the shelf. New item for the week. Top Series 2 Monster Box. Bunch of cards, heavy as usual, $55. Some more Optic and Select basketball, Prism basketball, Zenith Megas for whatever reason, some Contenders blasters. New stuff over here I don't really know much about, like Pokemon and maybe a Magic box. But that is it for here. Alright, checking this Walmart. A little bit later than normal going in here. Probably didn't miss anything. But we'll just go see what's on the shelf anyway. Alright, looks like the same stuff at the previous store. There was Optic basketball Megas right there. And Series 2 hanger boxes, which the last store did not have for whatever reason. This store got like 40 of them. A bunch of Megas of Optic. Probably gonna pass on this. Alright, y'all, we are back from the restocks. Saw what was on the shelves. Nothing too exciting. Some stores did get Optic basketball Megas, some didn't. Got in this on a rip. Of course, it is a Prism hanger box. Bunch of these. Along with Select again. New items for next week. One Piece booster packs. And Optic football mega boxes. These should be available at your neighborhood markets as well as super centers. Neighborhood markets, if you are not familiar, are these small Walmart that sells groceries only, basically. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We want to hit some type of good rookie in here. Whitehead, Washington Jr. Don't know who that guy is. James Harden, green. Anthony Black on the Instant Impact. Podziemski, Emergent. Keep forgetting that there's so many of these things turned around. Global Reach. Not sure who that is. Orange, Bogdanovich. Probably destroyed that name. Larry Bird Green. Color match. Does anybody collect these retired players? I mean, in any Panini product, football or basketball? I always wondered that. Jason Kidd. Jalen Hood Schifino. I believe this is a variation. Last orange. David Roddy. Josh Hart. Shake. Milton. Robert Covington. So that is another Prizm Basketball hanger box. I don't know why I put James Harden here. Rookies. These are the cats we ended up with. Nothing noteworthy on the parallels, of course. But there we go. Quick look at this week's restock. A little preview of what to expect for next week. Appreciate y'all tagging along as usual. Good luck out there this week. And we'll catch you on the next rip. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Every single week I'm out there hunting restocks, seeing what's on the shelf, putting out the following week's new item inventory, and ripping boxes.